Even though Judithe is pregnant, she had to continue her usual activity in order to survive. She couldn't go back to her grandma's home. There were nothing there to hope for. Her dad just ignored her, and her mom is just too busy with her other children. Thankfully, she had a small community around the dump. It's the same people who lived in similar conditions. They shared their daily life, support each other, and help one another in order to survive. Nobody was left behind. Every Wednesday, Judithe went to an alakale to receive prenatal checkup. There was a large medical vehicle there that will give free checkup for the poor. Even while pregnant, Judithe continued to sell the material she collected at 2 o'clock in the morning at La Réunion Kelly.